Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's play Roblox. Let's play Hobby.
Gusto ko magtutulog.
Yes.
Okay.
Kapito ako naririnig ka.
Ano yan?
My channel.
O nga, ano lang ang laro nga yan. Ay,
Ay,
teka, parang alam ko yan na.
Inside Out.
Nakikisali ka naman.
No, no! Wow, ang pangit. Look. Let's go, guys.
Huwag ka pupunta sa ano.
Look.
Oh, sabi ko, huwag ka pupunta sa card. Tamo nga sila, hindi pupunta ka sa gitna.
Ah, okay.
Napanood ko na yan, alam ko. Napanood dati, hindi ko na.
No. Oh. What happened?
Hindi, dapat pupunta ka dun sa parang. Ay, hindi pa ganun yun. Teka, parang. Ha? Paano ba yan? Ba't kanina gumagano?
No. This open is so hard.
Bayan na po.
Look. Infinity. This OP is so hard, guys. Uy, I'm disconnected, Yara. I'm master of OP. Yeah. What aiming this? No. Unti ka na yan. Guys! Tani na. Oh,
Grabe ka naman.
this oven is so hard, guys. Wow! Dito na. Yung inside out.
Ayun!
Dito sila nalaglag, di ba?
Oh, ani sadness. Ay, ba't may pizza?
Yeah, boogs. Wow.
Oops.
Kidogs.
Wala namang ganyang pizza eh. Tsaka mga ganyang pagkain sa
Wow! She's... Ang pangalan niya? Kalimutan ko.
discuss.
Ayun si Discuss. Where's joy and sadness?
Muntik na yon.
Turn off the TV, bra. Ay,
Kakagulat naman yun.
parachute pala to.
These also, it's not posted, but it's sticky notes. You like it, guys? See, there's also ice cream balls.
Madness. Sweet,
Why, Rachel?
wee.
I know you hate
Bra. I fly.
Oh, umul ka?
Yeah,
Bakit?
I did.
Okay.
Eh, ba't siya hindi pa din siya gumagalaw?
I don't have brow.
Close your eyes, Casey.
Basic!
Bawal dyan dumaan.
Mm.
Tuman
promise. Sa part na to, hindi ako mamamatay. 100%.
Okay, if say.
Now, see.
Hindi ka na tumalun dyan.
Nasaan yung parachute ko?
Set, go.
Wow.
Pag nilaro ko yan, pag pwede ako mag-gadget, tapos nilaro ko yan. Aalain ko yan. Tatalmi ko na lang yan.
Never had this much head. Look at me, and I'm even extended.
Look-looky.
And look at this, they're even nice highlighters. And this eraser.
Jehan, look at this. Jehan, come here. Look what I want to do. You know?
What?
You know? You know, bro? You know it? You know? I use parachute. Yeah, ay.
She used mine.
No, I don't use
She
parachute.
used the last challenge that we did. And now, I know what
Wee, wee. Construction workers. Ta 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 ta. This obby is look like
This baby was locked in an ice bucket. He wanted to escape and fall on the snowy ground. Soon Grandpa saw the empty ice bucket. He stood in front of the baby, very angry, continuously threatening the baby and ordering the baby to prepare breakfast. But a kind man prepared new clothes for him and handed the baby a towel. The baby quickly dried his body. The man decided to help the baby. He used his hand on a salmon. The baby hugged the salmon. He was very happy. The baby found a box of Frouncy orange juice and used his teeth to bite it. The flashlight orange juice fell into the cup. However, when Grandpa saw the breakfast, he was very angry, even threw the breakfast on the ground. Because he wanted a hot breakfast, Grandpa gave the baby a cigarette and asked him to light it, but the baby didn't move. The green smoke drifted away. The baby's brother and sister saw it. They decided to save the baby. Brother and sister climbed on the icy waterfall. The baby was locked in a cage. They rescued the baby. The baby found a snowmobile. They quickly escaped. This baby was locked in an ice bucket. He wanted to escape and
Awa
fall
yung
on the
baby.
snowy ground.
I wish I enjoy. We don't have parachutes.
I can jump.
Today in Roblox, we're racing.
I close my eyes and I can see. Paano ko nga nakasweet up?
Busog na ako. Alam mo kung bakit? So, guys, bye-bye! See you on my next video. Bye!